What's up, glitter babes? Today I'll be creating wall art using gold trays that I got from my local dollar store. I'll be taping 8 foam boards together to create the base of my art. And by the way, I did get these gold trays from my local Dollar King, and I know they don't have Dollar King in every state, so you can go to Dollar Tree and spray paint those red. I think they come in different colors, but they're like clear trays, and they look the same, but you can spray paint those gold or silver or whatever color you would like. And I will leave a video of me actually spray painting them in the description box below. Now that I have 2 panels of foam board, I'm going to tape them both together, and then we can start gluing on the plates. And this piece was actually going to be a little bit bigger than it ended up being, but I realized that I didn't have enough trays, so I just made it smaller. And I did line up my rows before I glued them down, just so the plates would be straight and even. Also, make sure you're putting the hot glue around the perimeter or the back of the plate, just because if you put it in the center, it may melt the plastic. And somebody remind me to never chew gum while I'm taping. I look like a chipmunk. And as you can see, I made a row going across, and I'm gonna glue these trays going across. And this project is pretty simple. All you need to do is make sure your trays are even and you are in there. You are creating glam artwork on a budget, baby. After that row is finished, I am going to continue on to my second row. And after the second row, I'm going to continue on to the third. And this is actually going to be my last row. This is before I realized I didn't have enough trays. I thought I had some back in another room, but I didn't. And this is when I realized I didn't have enough, so I removed that last tray and I just took my box cutter and cut off the excess foam board. And last but not least, you can hang this piece up whichever way you would like, but you can also use Gorilla mounting tape. And this is the final look. As always, I love it. It is very regal looking, very fancy. It's giving glam on a budget. And y'all know I love your feedback, so please let me know if there's any other projects you would like me to do. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, glitter babes. Stay safe.